Think of the expression pressing people's buttons. So that expression basically indicates that you are very clear on what not to do when communicating because it's going to press their buttons. And guess what? Most people, unless they're malicious, aggressive people, most people have no problem building the habit not to press people's buttons. You know why? Because they don't want to fight. They don't want conflict. So they're happy to appease. Well, why can't we go the other way? If we're pretty consistently able to build the habit not to press people's buttons, why don't we build the habits? If we know what motivates people and if we know what drives people, why don't we feed them? Why don't we fuel them with that information?